Video Science, Habitats and Living Things with Mr. Jaffe. Welcome to Video Science. Today, we're going to learn all about this word, habitat. A habitat is a place where living things can get what they need to survive. So, what would that be? Well, what do living things need again? Think about it. Living things need to grow, they need to breathe, they need to eat, they need to take in water, and they need some kind of shelter, and some need sunlight. So a habitat is a place where we can find all those things. Habitats could be the ocean, they could be the mountains, could be the desert, a rainforest, a forest like we have around New York State. It could be a meadow, or it could be something right outside your door. Let's go right outside our doors and see a habitat today. What do you call a place where you find living and non-living things? You call it a habitat. A habitat could be the rainforest, like you've read about. A habitat could be the desert. It could be the mountains. It could be the ocean, or it could be this place, an estuary in New York City. This is called Newtown Creek, and I'm down here to find out what kinds of living things we can see in this habitat. Living things need to stay alive. Plants need carbon dioxide, sunshine, and light. People, like us, well, we need food, water, and a place to live. So in this habitat, we're finding some living things that are getting what they need from the habitat. People have built all kinds of things. Cars, buses, bridges, all kinds of things made out of metal, things made out of rubber that don't have a place to go and need to be thrown out. So this is where a lot of our garbage goes before it gets sent out. But let's look at what kinds of things besides human beings are around here. Over here, we've got some marsh grass. This marsh grass was growing here before people built all this stuff, and it made a habitat called a salt marsh. And over there, up in the sky, we can see a couple of seagulls flying around looking for food. But what are they looking for? Well, follow me back this way over to this corner, and I'll show you. Look close into the shallow water, and we can see a group of mussels living together. These animals live inside shells and take what they need from the water that they live in. Particles of food are filtered by the mussels. Up in the sky, we find fish-eating birds called cormorants. These long-necked seabirds fly low across the water, searching for small fish, and are excellent divers. When cormorants swim, they're actually able to sit a little bit below the surface and stay underwater for a long time. Their powerful beaks are great for spearing fish. What are some living things that you see in the habitat outside your door? You never know what you'll find on Video Science. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Scrambles, do you like science?